Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Matilda. Well, today this is the look I'll be creating for you guys. I hope you like it. If you watched my previous video, you would know that the colors I used were very neutral and subdued, but today I'm going to be doing this colorful look with some oranges and for summer, I think summer or spring, I don't know, but this colorful look is what I'll be creating for you guys. I hope you like it. So before you continue watching, just subscribe down below. It's actually free. Just click the red button and also like the video, and also comment if you have any questions for me. So let's get into the video. So I'm gonna go in with this shade and apply it all over my crease with a fluffy brush like this. Now that I have my transition shade set in place, I'm going to go in with a mixture of these two shades and also apply it all over my crease. I'm going to focus it more on the outer corners. I'm going to go into my concealer and cut my crease. Then I'm going to go in to this neon orange shade. Oh my god. Oh my god. So this just happened, and one of my eyeshadow just fell out from this palette, as you can see. It's so sad. But moving on, I'm going to be using this orange shade and I'm going to apply it on my lid after I finish cutting it with my concealer. Now I'm going to go into this shade, this shade, and I'm going to use this fluffy brush to just blend the shimmer colors and the matte colors together for a seamless finish. So as you can see, I'm not really smudging the color in because I don't want to move the eyeshadow I've already placed. So I'm just tapping it in and lightly blending it as I go. I'm going back with the orange. Now you can leave the eyeshadow like this without adding any liner, but I want to add liner to just give the look a kind of complete finish, because I just want that. So I just applied a lot of foundation all over my face, so I'm going to go in with my beauty blender, and it's actually damp. I put it in water. I'm going to use it and blend the foundation all together. Now I'm done blending the foundation. I'm gonna go into my LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Cool Tan and apply it under my eyes, my forehead, I think on my nose, and my, what do they call here? What's the name? My Cupid's bow and my chin. So I'm just blending. Now I'm done blending my concealer. I'm gonna go into my powder and set my entire face. If you want to know why I'm using this brush, you can check out my other video. You will see an explanation for why I'm using a small brush like this. Going in with the powder puff. I'm gonna contour my face to give it some depth and definition. So I'm gonna use my 01 Face Definer, darker shade, just dusting off the excess powder. Then sculpting time. Applying some blush. So basically now I'm just dusting off the excess powder from my face. The look is almost done and I love it so much. So now I'm gonna be using this fan brush to highlight my face to give it a glow. Ooh, eyes. Yeah. Love me some glow, yeah. Love me some glow. And this is the finished look, and thank you guys for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.